Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. How are you today? I hope you are fine with your family and you are ready to learn English. Okay, today is Thursday. Thursday, Thursday. Khamis 8 Julai 2021. 8 hari bulan 7 2021. And I would like to wish you hello and have a nice day. Okay. Semoga hari ini baik untuk semua orang. Okay, last time I asked you to answer questions in your module, page 21. Okay, so thank you for those who have submitted this homework. Okay, terima kasih kepada semua yang dah hantar homework. Okay, siapa yang dah hantar, saya akan kira sebagai hadir PDPR. Siapa yang tak hantar homework, saya tanda sebagai tidak hadir. Okay, so I hope you can do my homework, and my homework is not many, it's not much. Tak banyak pun, homework saya sikit je. Every day I give you some homework. Sikit. Every day sikit. Setiap hari sikit. Sekurang-kurangnya dapat ilmu. Okay, kalau awak tak buat, tak follow PDPR, awak tak dapat apa-apalah. So, bila lama tak belajar, makin lama nanti awak akan semakin ketinggalan. Okay, so now I will discuss the answer for this. Okay, saya akan bincang jawapan ini. So, I hope you can listen carefully. Dengar elok-elok. Okay, can you see this? Nampak Okay, if you cannot see, please look at your book, look at your module. Okay, number 1. Please go your work before you hand it in. Sila kerja kamu sebelum hantar. Okay, go. Go apa? Dia suruh semak. Kalau semak, kita pilih go through. D, go through. Go through tu maksudnya semak semula. Tengok semula, go through. Okay, number 1, the answer is D. Okay, number 2. One is your friend and the one wearing the sari. Okay, nenek tanya, yang mana kawan kamu? Yang mana satu? So, bila ada banyak and kita nak tanya yang mana satu, kita guna which. B, number 2, the answer is B. Which one? Which one? Okay, which one? Okay, next, number 3. The secretary will see the manager once she has the draft. Okay. Setiausaha akan jumpa pengurus bila dia telah draft. Draft ni macam kerja lah. Dia telah. Okay. Semua ada prepare, prepared, preparing. Telah menyediakan. Okay. Keywordnya adalah has. Bila ada has, selepas tu kena ambil yang ada ed, prepared. Has prepared. Okay. Okay, number 3. The answer is prepared. C. Okay, number 4. Pak Tam was the plants when I visited him yesterday. Okay. Yesterday ni past tense. Yes, memang di past tense. Tapi, keyword dia adalah was. Was. Bila ada am, is, are, was, were, verb selepasnya kena ing. So, was watering. Okay, the answer number 4 is D. Okay, number 5. She cycled to school. She cycle. Nampak tak? Cycle ni ada ed, past tense. So, yang mana menunjukkan past tense? Does, don't, didn't, doesn't. Okay, the answer is C. Didn't. Didn't ni adalah past tense. Cycle, past tense. Okay, so the answer is C. Number 6. Spelling, ejaan. The children saw a huge in the river. Okay, kanak-kanak nampak yang besar di dalam sungai. Okay, semua ni crocodile tapi ejaan dia salah. Spelling dia salah. Okay, number 6 ni sebenarnya kalau nak check spelling, kita boleh type dekat Google je. For example, kita buka Google. Okay, kita type sahaja crocodile. Okay. Nampak? Dah keluar ejaan crocodile. Crocodile. Okay, so senang. Kalau nak check spelling, you just type in Google je. Okay, sorry, salah. Okay, this one. So the answer is C for number 6. Okay, number 7, 8 and 9. Okay. A week ago, I attended a drawing class. Minggu lepas, saya pergi ke kelas melukis. The teacher was an old man. A long beard. Cikgunya adalah seorang lelaki tua. Janggut yang panjang. Okay, jambang lah, ada jambang. Okay. Yang mana sesuai? In a long beard, on a long beard, with a long beard, about a long beard. Okay, the answer is C, with. A old man with a long beard. Lelaki tua yang ada jambang panjang atau janggut panjang. Okay, number 8. There were only 5 of us in the spacious air-conditioned room. Ada 5 orang sahaja di dalam bilik berhawa dingin yang besar. I looked around. Saya tengok sekeliling. There were Chinese paintings. Okay, ada lukisan Cina on the whitewashed walls. Di dinding lah yang berwarna putih. Okay, so semua ni hang. Okay, yang tergantung. Tergantung adalah hang. H-U-N-G, hang. Okay, tergantung. Okay, the answer is B. Okay, number 9. The teacher told us to draw we wanted on the first day of our class. Cikgu suruh kami melukis yang kami mahu. Apa-apa yang kami mahu. Okay, yang untuk benda adalah whatever. Whatever tu apa-apa benda. Apa-apa benda. So, number 9, the answer is B. Okay, number 10. Her family is very wealthy. Okay, dia nak same meaning. Sama maksud. Wealthy. Wealthy ni mewah. Mewah tu maksudnya banyak duit. So, yang mana banyak duit? Rich. Kaya. Famous. Terkenal. Popular. Terkenal. Important. Penting. Okay, yang mana sama maksud dengan wealthy? Mewah. The answer is A. Rich. Rich, kaya. Wealthy, mewah. Okay. So, lebih kurang lah. Same meaning. Okay, boleh tak dapat? Dapat tak jawapan? Okay, so your homework today is I want you to copy the questions and write the answer. Okay, salin soalan and terus tuliskan jawapan. For example, please go your work before you hand it in. Okay, salin lah. Please go tempat kosong, isikan jawapan, go through your work before you hand it in. Okay, okay, macam tu je. A, B, C, D tak perlu salin. You don't have to copy A, B, C, D. You just masukkan jawapan terus and tulis dalam buku E1. Okay, samalah. Semua ni sama. Terus salin soalan, isikan jawapan. Sama. And for number 7, 8, 9 ni tak perlu salin semua. You just copy soalan. For example, number 7, the teacher was an old man. Terus isikan with a long beard. Tak perlu salin daripada a week ago. Okay. And then number 8, terus ambil sentence number 8. Number 9, you take sentence number 9. Ambil perkataan ayat yang ada soalan sahaja. Okay, and number 10, her family is very wealthy. Okay, salin. And then bawah dia tulis A, rich. Okay. Okay, so it's not many, not much. Tak terlalu banyak pun rasanya. I hope you can do this. Take picture and send to me. And tonight saya akan isi pelaporan. Berapa orang hadir, berapa orang tak hadir. Siapa yang tak hantar tu tak hadir lah. Okay. Any problem you can WhatsApp me. Ada masalah, tak boleh nak buat hari ni, tak sihat ke, or tak ada internet ke apa ke, boleh WhatsApp pada saya. Okay, so that's all for today and good luck. Okay, bye.